At Pittsburgh Water, we're committed to providing you with clean, safe water to help improve your water quality. We are working to replace all residential lead service lines throughout our drinking water service area. If you have been selected for a lead water service line replacement, you'll be asked to sign an agreement and consult with a Pittsburgh Water representative and contractor before any construction begins for a brief inspection of your service line and to discuss any possible impacts that the construction might have to your property. To replace your private lead water service line, we'll need you to be present for about 4 to 6 hours while the work proceeds. We'll start by taking up the area around your curb box, a vertical pipe with an opening in either your property or the sidewalk. This will provide us with access to your private water line. Once we have dug out the area around your curb box, we'll begin replacing the private portion of the water service line. There are 2 potential ways that this could happen. Our preferred method is a trenchless replacement. If we're able to, we will remove the lead water service line and replace it with a new copper water line. This method involves little to no interruption to your property. 9 out of 10 service lines are able to be replaced this way. The second method involves digging an open trench through your property so we can remove the lead water line. The trench will be narrow and it will follow the water line as it crosses your property. Unfortunately, this method may require us to remove any trees, plants, landscaping, or sidewalks in the path of the water service line. It will be your responsibility to restore and replace any grass, plants, landscaping, or private walkways located on your property. Pittsburgh Water will be responsible for backfilling any excavations and restoring the sidewalk and roadway in the public space. Connecting your new water service line to your household's water pipes may require some improvements to your property's plumbing. Our licensed plumbing contractor will need clear access to the service line in your building during construction to make these improvements and bring the plumbing into compliance with county code. This contractor will make necessary improvements to ensure your water is running properly before leaving your home. For your safety, you must flush your household plumbing following any construction. Instructions will be provided to help you. Following the completion of our work, collect a water sample using the test kit provided. The sample results will be shared with you so you could be informed about the level of lead in your water. Lead levels in your water may be elevated for up to 6 months following construction. We'll provide you with a water pitcher filter and filter cartridges for drinking and cooking purposes. The final step in this process is allowing an inspector from the Allegheny County Health Department to examine the connection and approve any modifications made inside of your home so we can certify the plumbing work satisfied code requirements. This inspection should last around 30 minutes and may occur a week or 2 after their replacement. For more information about water safety using NSF-approved water filters and to answer any other questions you have about lead and water quality, please visit our website at pgh20.com/leadfacts or contact the Lead Help Desk by calling 412-255-8987 or emailing leadhelp@pgh20.com.